If you're looking for an extremely low profile 3.5 millimeter headphone jack cable, this is the product for you. This is the CableCreation's 3.5 millimeter right angle male to male cable. And I got this for my laptop because I hated always seeing a cable pop way out, and I always had a monitor sitting on the desk right next to it. And so I got these guys, and they sit so flat. Check this out. This guy only has that much that it sticks up, and the rest is in the port. It is absolutely fantastic. Audio quality is perfect, and then this braided cable is super flexible. So I've had zero issues with this thing kinking at all. Works very well. In what you get in the when you order it here is the warranty card right here, and then you also have it in this bag here. So if you're in the market for a really, really, really low profile right angle 3.5 millimeter male cable end, this thing's fantastic. I highly recommend it.